Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how I will be repairing this dishwasher rack that I have, that it is all rusted. To do this, you'll need the following. You need first protective eyeglasses, you need gloves, you need of course the tip caps. So these are the tip caps. This is a repair toolkit that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you to see. You need also pliers, cutting pliers, and universal pliers. So let's start. So to start the repair, I'm gonna remove all the rust first, and I've put some newspaper, old newspapers on the ground. Simply with the universal plier here, remove all the rust. So perform the operations that I'm showing you in this video at your own risk, and if you're not comfortable performing them, please do not continue and either change the rack or call a professional to do it for you. I'm not responsible in any way, shape or form if you encounter any injuries following the instructions in my video. So you can cut the rust like this, as I've done here. So I'm gonna remove all the plastic that is covering the rust here. The pair of protective eyewear is really very important, because when the rust snaps, it might fly and go into your eyes, and you don't want that. Now, how much will it hold after this? I don't know, but it's better than to have the rust sticking up until I find one, because I'm not able to find one for the model of my machine. It's really of the utmost importance that you don't injure yourself, so be very careful, because it's not easy to injure yourself with rust. You need to go to the hospital if you injure yourself with rust. So I wanted to tell you that this kind of reparation is not permanent, but it will help us in preventing us from injuring our hands when we put and remove the dishes. And this is very important. So I'm doing this reparation only for me the time to find another dishwasher rack so that my dishwasher will stay safe to use. So push it down as much as possible so that it will reach the paint. So what I also can tell you is that always get like some of these plastic caps handy, and at first sign of rust, it's better to put a plastic cap on the dishwasher here where it is rusted. For instance, like here, I'm gonna put one here, and this way it will not rust too much, as you saw in my dishwasher rack. For instance, here you see this pin here, it started to rust. So I'm gonna put this here on it, this plastic cap. This way it will not rust in the future to the extent that the other pins were rusted. It's very easy, just turn it, it will slide like this. So this here now is the end result. You see that I put plastic caps on all the pins. And now the dishwasher rack looks much better than before, and the risk of injury is completely removed. So at the end, I'm gonna thank you all for watching, and I hope that this video will help you in repairing your dishwasher rack. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and this will help my channel greatly, and this way you'll not miss any future videos I make. Thank you once again for watching, and see you in the next video.